Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use stunning pins as your wallpaper on PC or laptop. So if you love those aesthetic pins on Pinterest, what if I told you you can turn them into wallpapers for your phone or computer in just a few taps? So let me show you this easy hack. So first you can just open Pinterest and search for the vibe you want. For example, I'm going to just go with, let's say, aesthetic quotes paper. Okay, you can go with that keyword that you want, and in here you can just find the one that you like. For example, this one, and then you can just save the pin, or you can also just click on the three dots in here and tap on download image. If you want to, you can also just open the image and right click on it and tap on save image as in here, and the picture will be saved. So if you want to set them as wallpaper on your device, here you can just go to the desktop on your computer. Let's say in here you can just right click on it and tap on personalized. Here click on background and just browse the pins that you just downloaded from Pinterest. Click on choose picture, and just like that it will be saved as your wallpaper like this. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can turn Pinterest pins into stunning wallpapers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye!